Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. You are watching Dreams in Motion. Today in this video you will see how you can gain confidence enough while you are speaking English language, while you are talking to somebody, and while you are giving reply in English, right? So not only during speaking, but it is also in your practical life. Okay. This is one mantra of gaining confidence, that the more you learn, the more you earn, right? So let's dive into this video. You want to speak English language confidently, you want to be a fluent speaker. If you follow some tips, which is I'm going to tell you in this video, you will definitely be a fluent speaker one day, right? Today I am confident enough, and I'm able to speak English language enough that I don't afraid of talking to English language to someone, just because of my consistency and work on daily, right? When you speak English language, or when you speak or you learn every day, when you write English content every day, when you read in English language or English content every day, you can also be a fluent person. I'm not saying fluent, but gradually you will be a fluent. You will be a fluent, but you learn everything gradually. When you read or when you speak English language every day, and use it in your practical life, um, every day, you can talk or you can speak with your friends, and with your family members, and it could be a stranger as well. So you can, by speaking, you can learn this language enough. It doesn't matter that you are speaking wrong sometimes, but it matters most that you speak again and again, learn and speak. Just whatever you are learning, just you use in your practical life. This will help you a lot to improve your fluency in your English language. You speak, you no need to hesitate to speak someone, uh, no need to afraid of someone. Everybody learns this language after making lots of mistake, right? Because mistakes are part of this journey. After making mistakes, we improve every day, and in this way we grow enough. You always remember one thing, that don't afraid of making mistakes. Just while you are speaking this language, no need to afraid making mistakes, no need to afraid of judging someone, right? You have to take out all fears from your mind and speak. Just you have to speak. This is only this is only tip works for you. Okay. When you write English content every day, you can write stories, you can write what's happening, what's happening in your life, whatever you are doing on daily basis. It could be your routine, it could be anything regarding English. um, as much as possible you write, because you will learn very soon after writing, because this will also help you, uh, this will also help you very much. Okay, but you have to write, some pages on daily basis. Okay, you have to read every day. Third one, this is also very important that you read some content on daily basis. It could be stories, drama, and anything regarding English. You consume basis on daily English content. This is compulsory. Mm, Without skipping these tips, you can't be forward in your English journey. And these are simultaneously important. Okay, so um, if you follow these tips with consistency, you will learn this language very soon. Otherwise, if you skip even single tip, you I'm not saying you can't learn, but you you will learn slowly, right? So you need to speak at the same time, write, and you have to read. Mm, this is also very important tip. So you have to follow all these tips which I have told you in this video. So okay, if you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, we'll see in the next video. Till that, keep learning, keep practicing. There is no other way to learn English language except practice. Okay.